Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video will demonstrate how to connect the CUAV X25 EVO to the SIYI MK32. The CUAV X25 EVO controller is fully upgraded to a 10V 18V high-voltage power supply, significantly improving power supply efficiency. The baseboard has a built-in 5V15A DC-DC high-power converter, and the external interface supports 5V12A output, empowering heavy-load devices. The SIYI MK32 HD video transmission system ground station has a built-in 7 monitor with high resolution and sharpness. With a maximum brightness of 1000 nit, information and images from the ground control software are clearly displayed on the screen. The MK32's connection is based on SIYI's independent HD wireless image transmission technology, an all-in-one solution that can automatically adapt to the frequency band with the least interference. In addition, the MK32 is equipped with an 8-core Qualcomm CPU, which can smoothly decode 1080p at 60 fps video streams in H.264 or H.265 format. The video is mainly divided into 3 parts. What products are used? How to wire. How to display. What products are used? The products used in this test include CUAV X25 EVO Flight Controller, SIYI MK32 Remote Controller, and a Tata 16,000 mAh battery. Cables used include QS8S to XT60 adapter, MK32S bus cable, MK32 data transmission cable, and X25 EVO power cable. How to wire. Connect the UART1 port of the MK32 receiver to the TELEM1 port of the X25 EVO flight controller. UART1 connector, GH1.254 pin. TELEM1 connector, GH1.256 pin. Connect the S.bus port of the MK32 receiver to the RC port of the X25 EVO flight controller. S.bus connector, GH1.253 pin. R connector, DuPont GH1.253 pin. Connect the power module to the battery and connect the flight controller to the power module. Power1 port of the flight controller connects to the power port of the power module. Connectors, Molex 1.25mm 8 pin. How to display. Turn on the remote controller. Open the TX software. Click Data Link. Set the connection to UDP. Select PAX as the flight controller type. And set the baud rate to 57,600. Enter QGC. Click the upper left application settings. Communication links. Add name it freely. Type UDP. Port 19856. Address 192.168.144.12. Click Add, then select Connect. After the connection is complete, shake the flight controller, and QGC will display its status in real time. Enter the parameter settings. Move the joysticks, and S.bus can also be seen working normally. This concludes the wiring tutorial on connecting the CUAV X25 EVO to the CMK32. Thank you for watching and supporting us. If you have any questions or would like us to explain any part in more detail in future videos, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.